Okay. Drive shaft needs to be running at 540. This gearbox right here takes 90 weight. It's a step-up gearbox. There's a belt in here and a pulley that brings it over to the blower. The blower is right here. It takes oil on both ends. Both ends have sight glasses and they're separate. So if you work on one end, you're not affecting the other. So you need to be making sure that the oil is in the sight glass on this end and that end. The other issue is there's a filter in here. The filter can be blown out. It's kind of you can get the Wix cartridge if you want to, but this is kind of special. It's designed to be blown out many times. We hook your motor circuit up to green, which has got the flow control. We've set the head speed at about 700 right now. You can go a little bit higher than that, but not too much. About 700 would be about right. And then we have up and down and in and out. So we'll go up forward. I normally take the RPM gauge right here and check it at full throttle, okay? And he's gonna go ahead and start the tractor and I'll show you all the different operations.